Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how C++ friend function and class work. Friend function is not a class method, but it can access private and protected members of that class. Friend class is a class whose members can access private and protected members of another class. First, you need to have forward declaration to make sure that these class and function name are visible to the corresponding classes. Then you need to use the friend keyword to set the classroom as a friend of the class student and set the get student age method as the friend method of the class student. With these, you can access the private attribute of the student class within these class and method, like this and like this. Thank you very much for watching. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.